How to use proxy editing in Kdenlive for slower PC. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and go to the project menu, then select project settings. In the project settings window, find the proxy clips tab. Now, check the option proxy clips to enable proxy editing. This helps improve performance during editing, especially on slower PC. Below that, you will see generate for videos larger than. Enter a value like 1280 pixels, so proxy clips will only be created for high resolution videos. Then, in proxy video resize width, you can enter something like 640 pixels to generate a smaller, low resolution proxy version of your clips. Choose an encoding profile that suits your system. For example, you can use a lightweight codec like S.264 for faster processing. If you are using hardware acceleration like Intel QuickSync, make sure to select Automatic Intel QuickSync or a suitable option from the list. Kdenlive will now generate low-resolution proxy versions of your large video clips. These proxies make editing much smoother by reducing lag during playback and trimming. Once your editing is done, Kdenlive will automatically use the original high-quality files for the final export, ensuring your final video is crisp and clear. And that's it. Now you know how to use proxy editing in Kdenlive for slower PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.